Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. $0.000036. Shiba Inu is currently trading at $0.00002238, landing at a higher low after its correction. It still remains the second largest meme coin by market cap at $12.30 billion. Latin America, tipping point. The region flirts with and rejects cryptocurrencies. Typical Latin America. The region as a whole is having a love-hate relationship with cryptocurrencies. On the one hand, apparently, crypto remittances in Brazil, Argentina, and Venezuela grew 900% last year. On the other, Mexico and Peru's central banks are actively working in their CBDCs. Which way will the scale tip? The jury's still out on that one. For the sake of organization, let's go through Latin America country by county. Latin America, TP Brazil is clean and Binance wants, and according to Chainalysis, less than 1% of all cryptocurrencies that came to Brazil in 2021 were used in some criminal activity. That's quoting Portal do Bitcoin's journalist Saori Honorado. Chainalysis estimates that Brazilians bought $140 billion in cryptocurrencies last year, a number that places Brazil as the largest crypto market in Latin America and 11th in the world, she also said via Twitter. Bitcoinist also reported that Binance plans to acquire Brazilian securities brokerage. In a fast-developing market like Brazil, crypto can transform and facilitate people's lives, and as such, we believe in full collaboration with local authorities, that Binance has a lot to contribute in developing the community and ecosystem in Brazil, CZ said. Colombia, Peru, and Mexico experiment with crypto candidates to Colombia's Congress. Edward Rodriguez and Didier Carrillo manifested their support for Bitcoin in clear legislation. Sadly, elections were last week and neither of them made it. That's Latin America for you. Even though it's a fact that drug cartels prefer banks to crypto to launder their money, crypto entrepreneurs in Colombia and Mexico suffer the stigma of being suspected of money laundering. Breakout that occurred on 6 February. Now, SHIB seems to be doing something similar this time. The price action from 7 February to 17 March has led to another 40% downswing. Interestingly, the swing highs of this retracement can be connected using a trend line. For both these downward moves, the support level at $0.000207 served as a major inflection point that absorbed the incoming selling pressure, thus allowing sideline buyers to accumulate. The recent retracement is getting constricted between the declining trend line and the horizontal support level, thereby suggesting an explosive breakout soon. In case of a bullish move, investors can expect SHIB to ride the wave and retest the $0.000350 resistance barrier. This climb would constitute a 55% ascent from the current position, while the conservative approach indicates that the upside could be limited to around $0.000350. An optimistic outlook reveals the uptrend could extend up to $0.000495. This move, however, would represent a 122% gain. While the technicals for SHIB are shining bright, suggesting a bullish outlook is around the corner, on-chain metrics and 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Thus, keeping an eye on the King Coin's movement remains essential for a profitable move. And second news, the where and how of SHIB traders making a profit here. The dog-themed token was on a steep downturn after attaining its ATH in October of last year. Thus, Shiba Inu, SHIB, declined between southbound parallel channels and fell below the vital liquidity range near the $0.033 zone. SHIB prices, multiplied by 1,000 from here on, assuming the 20 EMA, blue, stood sturdy. Any close below its 200 EMA, yellow, would brace SHIB for a retest of its 5-month trendline support, white, dashed, or its demand zone created near the $0.0220 range, rectangle. At press time, SHIB traded at $0.02538, down by 15.9% in the last week. During this bearish phase, SHIB lost its crucial point of control, red, horizontal, near the $0.033 level, and fell below its 200 EMA, yellow. Additionally, this level coincided with the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. The fall halted at the 2-cent mark that the buyers upheld for over 4 months. Consequently, the price entered a tight phase, while the bulls started building up pressure and rejecting the lower prices. Thus, it saw over 70% gains from 3 to 9 February, and broke out of the down channel, while the 23.6% level. In this video, we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with